Have you ever noticed the number 17 appearing again and again on receipts, clocks, or random license plates and felt that strange pull in your chest, as if the universe were whispering a secret meant just for you? That's not coincidence. It's alignment. The number 17 is more than a digit on a calendar or a chapter in your favorite book. It's a cosmic breadcrumb, a message from the divine, part of a language older than speech angel numbers. These subtle signs are scattered along your life path not to confuse you, but to guide you. At its core, 17 is a number of spiritual evolution. It combines the individuality and leadership of 1 with the inner wisdom and mystical depth of 7. When these two forces join, they don't merely coexist, they amplify. The result? A sacred signal of transformation, purpose, and personal truth. Let's dig deeper. The number 1 vibrates with the energy of new beginnings, forward movement, and the self-actualizing power of thought. It's that gentle but unrelenting nudge that tells you, you're not just meant to exist, you're meant to create. Meanwhile, the number 7 brings in the weight of the sacred. It is the number of seekers, of spiritual warriors who hunger not just for answers, but for enlightenment. The introspective nature of 7 pushes us to look within, to examine our soul's purpose beyond the surface. Put these together, and 17 becomes a portal. It invites you to lead your life with intention, but never without soul. It tells you that your ambitions must be in alignment with your higher self. When you repeatedly encounter 17, it's a divine reminder, you're walking a path that matters. It may be hard, even lonely at times, but it is sacred. Many mystics believe that 17 is the number of immortality, not in the physical sense, but in the legacy of spirit. Think of people like Nikola Tesla or Joan of Arc, who followed an inner voice even when the world didn't understand. That's the energy of 17. It's the call to remain faithful to your vision, even if others can't see it yet. In practical terms, when 17 shows up in your life, it's a prompt to evaluate. Are you aligned with your soul's truth? Are your goals rooted in ego or in something greater? The universe is nudging you to act, but not blindly. With 17, the message is, act with integrity. Dream with wisdom. Move with faith. And perhaps that's the ultimate lesson of angel number 17. It's not just about doing great things, it's about doing them consciously, with a heart connected to spirit. Have you been seeing 17 lately? In what area of your life do you feel the universe is urging you to rise into a deeper truth?